Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to embed Calendly on WordPress. Alright, let's begin. First, go to calendly.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your events on the home page. Choose the event you want to embed and click the three dots icon. From the menu, select Add to Website, then choose Inline Embed. This option allows your Calendly event to appear directly on your site. Click Continue, then copy the HTML code provided. Next, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From the sidebar, go to Pages and either create a new page or select an existing one. Click Add Page if you want a dedicated scheduling page. After naming your page, click the plus icon and select Custom HTML. Paste the HTML code you copied from Calendly into this block. Before publishing, click Preview to confirm that the embedded calendar displays correctly. If everything looks good, hit Publish. So that's basically how you can embed Calendly on WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.